Are you needing to test aggregates, but you're not exactly sure where to start? No worries. We'll go over the fundamental methods to get your operation up and running. Stick around. Hi, I'm Candace and I'm the product manager for particle analysis here at WS Tyler. When leading an operation that involves the production of high-quality aggregate, you must incorporate a means of quality control that ensures a certain level of quality and consistency is met. This is where particle analysis comes into play. WS Tyler has been a pioneer of the particle analysis industry for over 150 years and can help enhance the quality control of your aggregate production process. With that being said, this video will cover everything you need to know about particle analysis in the aggregate industry by defining what aggregate is, explaining why particle analysis is important to the industry, and what equipment is used to analyze the particle size of your material. The term aggregate is the sediment material used for most construction projects. Coming in a variety of shapes and sizes, aggregate is applied as a base layer for roads and is often mixed within cement and asphalt. By using aggregate, you have more control of the level the cement or asphalt mixture contracts and expands, preventing cracking and warping. This is especially crucial when working on roads and bridges. What makes particle analysis essential to the aggregate industry boils down to the safety guidelines that the construction companies must follow. So let's use the cement pylons used for bridges as an example. Each piece of aggregate in the cement mixture that's used to form the pylons needs to be a specific size and uniformity to guarantee it will maintain its form and shape. Because of this, there are several ASTM and AASHTO standards written to guide you on how to crush aggregate, how to produce it, and what it should look like for any application. For example, aggregate is often used as a base layer when constructing roads. To make sure the road is safe for drivers and is built to last, this layer of aggregate must be as flat as possible. If the aggregate didn't go through some form of particle analysis before it was used as the base layer for a new road, that layer of aggregate would contain particle size variants that defy industry standards and not lay flat. And because of that, the road wouldn't be able to hold up over time. It would begin to form bumps and cracks and need repairing. When it comes to particle analysis, there's 4 pieces of aggregate testing equipment used throughout the industry: sieve shakers, screening machines, Jet Sieves, and dynamic image analysis systems. Since most construction projects will help public traffic, there's a lot of safety guidelines that construction contractors must follow. To verify that a specific project complies with these guidelines, several pieces of documentation that show the quality of the aggregate being used must be submitted. This is why sieve shakers and test sieves are the preferred tools for analyzing aggregate particles. Sieve shakers, like the WS Tyler RoTap, have been used to conduct test sieve analysis since the 1930s and have been written into dozens of industry standards as a reliable particle analysis tool. Vibrating Screens carry out a similar version of particle analysis as sieve shakers, but on a much larger scale. They allow for a particle separation range of 6 mesh to 325 mesh and employ one or multiple screen sections that separate particles in the same way as a test sieve stack. It uses high-frequency vibrations to promote particle movement, reduce blinding, which enables enhanced productivity. Each screen section is typically made from square, ton cap, or tie rod mesh and features a unique hook system on the side that allows them to be retrieved from the equipment with ease while also being secure when the equipment is running. And because of all of this, screening machines are especially beneficial to the aggregate industry since they provide the most efficient means of testing several large-scale batches of material in one day, which a lot of operations require. Jet Sieves, like the Alpine Jet Sieve E200LS, is another particle analysis tool that has been gaining traction in the aggregate industry, specifically during the production of cement mixtures. In fact, the Alpine unit has been written into several cement-related standards in recent years. This is because of its ability to analyze the finer particles that are used throughout cement mixtures that are hard to sieve using a sieve shaker. The Alpine uses a vacuum system to slam agglomerated material against its plexiglass lid to separate the agglomerations and allow for the material to pass through the mesh. This vacuum system is what allows the Alpine to have so much success when working with cement mixtures. Dynamic image analysis systems like the WS Tyler computerized particle analyzer make obtaining the same particle analysis results of the other equipment, but in a digital format. It also stands as one of the fastest options on the market. This is especially beneficial for the mining operations that handle the initial blast mining of the raw material. These operations typically employ a dynamic image analysis system as they have to test upwards of 20 samples each day. But it should be noted that dynamic image analysis systems have yet to be reflected in industry standards. To comply with your particle analysis standards, it is recommended that you keep a stack of master test sieves and test your material monthly. The correlation of these results will allow you to check the accuracy of your dynamic image analysis system. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out a Contact Us form so we can answer your specific questions. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click the second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. Once again, my name is Candace Blaker, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.